Hello friends, today we start science first, second chapter, periodic classification of elements. Initially, the elements are classified as metals, non-metals and metalloids. Then the classification was carried out by Dobbe-Reiners and the classification was known as Dobbe-Reiners triads. Dobbe-Reiners triads. Triads means a group of three elements. Dobbe-Reiner arranged the three elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses and the group of three elements having same chemical properties. The statement for this law is when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, then the atomic mass of middle element was approximately equal to the mean or average of atomic masses of other two elements. When the elements are arranged in the increasing order or ascending order of their atomic masses. Atomic mass means atomic weight or atomic mass. Then the atomic mass of middle element was approximately equal to the mean or average of the atomic masses of other two elements. Once again, when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, then the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the mean of atomic masses of other two elements. At that time, very few elements were known. So he made a triad of limited groups or limited elements. Let us see some examples of the triads. First example is lithium, sodium and potassium. This was the first triad. Atomic mass of the lithium is 6.9, sodium is 23 and potassium is 39.1. Then the average of lithium, atomic mass of lithium and atomic mass of potassium is 23 and that is the atomic mass of sodium. That is the middle element of the triad. The another example is calcium, strontium and barium. The atomic mass of calcium is 40.1, strontium is 87.6 and barium is 137.3. Then the average of 40.1 plus 137.3 upon 2, that is equal to 177.4 upon 2 and that is equal to 88.7 and that is approximately equal to strontium mass of atomic mass of strontium. Dobbe-Reiner makes some triads. Out of these triads, some triads obeys the Dobbe-Reiner's law, whereas some does not obey the Dobbe-Reiner's law, and that is the limitation of Dobbe-Reiner's triads law. For example, copper, silver and gold. These are the elements which shows same chemical properties. Means this is the triads which is made by Dobbe-Reiners. But the atomic mass of the copper is 63, silver is 108 and gold is 108, silver is 108 and gold is 199. So the mean of the 63 plus 199 is 131, and that is not equal, approximately equal to the middle element, that is silver. So this is the limitation of Dobbe-Reiner-Stride's law. So that classification was ruled out. After that, the next classification after Dobbe-Reiner was carried out by Newland. The classification of Newland was known as Newland's octaves law. Here the octaves means a group of 8. It means it gives the similarity between first and 8th element. In this octaves law, the similarity between first and 8th element was shown. At that time, 56 elements were known, and Newland also arranged these elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. It means what? This classification was also based on atomic mass. Dobbe-Reiner's classification and Newland's classification was based on the atomic masses. For that, the statement is, when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, then every 8th element shows similar properties with the first. When the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, then every 8th element shows similar property with the first. He compared this classification with the musical notes like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and again the 8th note was sa. So first and 8th are similar. He arranged the elements. Newland arranged 56 elements in this manner. Here the first element is lithium, then with respect to lithium the 8th element is sodium, and sodium shows similarity with lithium. Similarly, magnesium shows similarity with beryllium, aluminum shows similarity with boron, silicon shows similarity with carbon, phosphorus shows similarity with nitrogen, sulfur shows similarity with oxygen. Again, the fluorine and chlorine. The fluorine shows similarity with fluorine, sodium shows similarity with potassium, or potassium shows similarity with sodium, calcium shows similarity with magnesium. But again, there is some limitation. This Newland's law of octaves are obeyed only for lower atomic masses, that is atomic mass 40. That is the element calcium. Up to calcium means only 17 elements are obeys this law. After calcium, the elements does not obey the Newland's octaves law, and that was the major limitation. Out of 56, only 17 elements shows or obeys the law. There are some limitations. The first limitation is only 56 elements are arranged. Second, there is arrangement of similar elements or 2 or more elements in the same block or same group. For example, cobalt and nickel are placed in the same group. Similarly, selenium or lanthanum, both are elements in the same group. The different next limitation is when the elements are arranged, the properties of the elements, different elements are different, and these different properties elements are placed in the same group. For example, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, these are halogens, and in these halogens the cobalt and nickel, that is the metals, are placed, and that was the major limitation, means different properties elements are placed in the same group. Next limitation is when new elements were discovered, these new elements are not fit in this periodic, in this classification or in this table. For example, when inert gases were discovered, they have no position, they are not fit in this group or in this table, and other elements were discovered after that, they are also not fit the octaves law table, and that is the limitation of the Newland's-Octaves law. I hope you got some topic of classification of elements. Okay, next time we study about the next classification, that is Mendeleev's periodic table. Thank you.